Within the Locations and Access tab, you can view details associated with locations on your account, as well as add new locations. To add a new location, begin by clicking the Add Location/Parking button. Once clicked, you will be directed to the map locator to begin the sign-up process for the additional location. Under the Select/Find Parking Location tab, you will see locations available to sign up for parking. Select See Details to view details of the location, such as rates, photos, amenities, address, and hours of operation. Once finished, click Select Location to choose this location, or use the back arrow to be directed back to the list of available locations. Once you choose your location, click Select Location. Next, select a space type. Select a credential type if there is more than one option, and select your delivery method to receive your credential. Select your preferred start date, and select Continue to proceed. Select your payment type and enter payment information details if necessary. Once finished, click Continue to complete. You can review the terms and conditions by using this drop-down arrow. Slide this icon to confirm you have read the terms and conditions and enter this security code. Once complete, select Add Location, and the location will be added to your account. You will then see a confirmation notice and proof of parking.